Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When adding text to a publication, you may make typographical errors. You may swap the I and E in certain words or forget a second R in a word, for example. A common error is typing the word "the" as TEH. The autocorrect feature recognizes some of these commonly misspelled words and automatically corrects them for you. The best part of autocorrect is that it is automatically enabled when you use Publisher. Another handy feature of autocorrect is that you can add your own words that you commonly misspell or mistype. To see the autocorrect options, select the File tab in the ribbon, and then click the Options command at the left side of the Backstage view. In the Publisher Options dialog box that appears, click the Proofing category at the left side of the dialog box. You can then click the Autocorrect Options button that appears to the right to open the Autocorrect dialog box. In this dialog box, you can check any options you want to enable. Useful options include checking the Correct to Initial Capitals checkbox to automatically correct mistakes when you accidentally hold the Shift key too long. You can check the Capitalize First Letter of Sentences checkbox to automatically capitalize the first letter of a sentence if you forget. You can also check the Capitalize First Letter of Table Cells checkbox to automatically correct capitalization mistakes in table cells. You can check the Capitalize Names of Days checkbox to automatically correct mistakes when you forget to capitalize names of days. You can check the Correct Accidental Use of Caps Lock Key checkbox to automatically correct mistakes when you accidentally leave the Caps Lock key on when typing. If there are certain words or chains of letters that you do not want Publisher to automatically fix, you can add them to the Exceptions section. To do this, click the Exceptions button. Here on the First Letter tab, you can add abbreviations after which you do not want Publisher to capitalize the first letter of the following word. Normally, a period followed by a space lets Publisher know the sentence is finished. This causes the first letter of the next word to be capitalized by the autocorrect feature. On the Initial Caps tab, you can add words that you do not want Publisher to change when you type them with more than one initial capital letter. For example, if your company name was capital I, capital M, perfect, as in I am perfect, as opposed to imperfect, you could add capital I, capital M, perfect to the list of spellings not to be corrected. You can also add words you simply do not want Publisher to correct to the Other Corrections tab. For example, if your last name was Friend, you could add that to the list so that Publisher did not change the spelling to friend. Then click the OK button when you are finished to close the Exceptions dialog box. To add a word that you commonly misspell, type the word that you misspell the way that you misspell it into the Replace field, and then type the correct spelling of that word into the With field. Once you have done that, then click the Add button. You can then repeat this process to add all of the words that you commonly misspell. The Auto Format As You Type tab at the top of the Autocorrect dialog box allows you to change other autocorrect features dealing with quotes, hyphens, and lists. Click the OK button to set the autocorrect options when finished. Then click the OK button in the Options window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.